Alright, hey everyone, welcome back to another Roblox programming tutorial or scripting tutorial, whatever you would like to call this series. So last time I taught you guys how to create an amazing Game Pass shop. Most of it was GUI creation, but you know, you have to teach someone something. So anyways, we're here today, as you could tell in the title, creating a teleportation pad system. Now this is probably going to be the easiest tutorial in this series, and it's surprising that you guys want to actually learn this, because this is something not usually used a lot in games. But you know, you guys wanted to learn it, and so you guys chose it when I put that poll up on Twitter. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, let's go ahead and insert a model into the workspace, and we'll name this whatever you wanted to name it. I'm going to name it Teleportation for now. And let's go ahead and insert a brick, and this brick will be, or part will be Tele1, and this will be our first telepad, and this will be used to but this will be for if a player touches it, this is what is going to activate. So now we're going to go ahead and put it above the ground a bit, not like completely off the ground, about that bit off the ground. Turn can collide off and make anchored true. Duplicate this, make it farther away, and we're going to name this Tele2. Now, how are we going to tell which one is actually Tele1 and Tele2? Well, we could go in the model while playing and check which one it is, but we don't actually have to do that. We can just color it. So we'll make this a bright blue Tele1 and Tele2 a bright red. So there we go, we got Tele1 and Tele2, bright blue and bright red. That seems pretty neat. So anyways, we're going to go ahead and get into the scripting. So let's go ahead and insert a script into the model. And I'm going to name this main. And now we're going to start off with a function, and this function will be function teleport brackets and end. And in these brackets, we're going to set three variables. We're going to set player, name of model, and we're also going to do tele. And now what player is basically, it's not the actual player in the player's parent. It's going to be the player's model in workspace. Name of the model, well, this makes it so this script can be used outside of it can be used outside the game. It can be outside this model. I just decided to put this in the model. And tele, well, basically it just looks in the model for that tele. So anyways, let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to go ahead and set we're going to do local telepad equals workspace name of model, and then we're going to do tele. There we go. Now we have our telepad set up, and that is pretty neat. So we're going to go ahead and set the player's walk speed and jump power to 0, so they cannot jump or walk while the teleportation process is in action. So we're going to do player dot humanoid dot walk speed equals 0, and player dot jump humanoid, not jump power, but dot humanoid dot jump power equals 0. So basically, if you don't know what's going on, the player is going to be basically your player in workspace, your player model, and it's going to access the humanoid, and then it's going to access your walk speed and jump power. The walk speed is obviously, or if you don't know what it is, then it's basically how fast you walk in Roblox. The default is 16. And the jump power is how high you can jump. The default is usually 50. So anyways, let's continue here. So we're going to go ahead and start off with a new local variable. We'll name this smoke. And we're going to make that equal to instance.new. And then we're going to do quotations smoke. We're going to name this smoke.name equals telesmoke. We're just going to name it telesmoke for now. And then we're going to do smoke.parent equals player.torso. So basically, when they touch it, but this won't activate a touch. This will just be a function for now. When they touch it, this function will be called off. It'll get the tele. It'll set their humanoid walk speed and jump power to 0. Create smoke. Put in their torso. Make it seem like something is happening. They're being teleported. And then we'll wait 1. And then after that, we're going to do player move to and we're going to do telepad dot position. And now what move 2 does is basically it'll move a model to a brick position, or a position of a brick, or position in anywhere in the in studio in the world, in your virtual world. Next, we're going to go ahead and finish this off. We're going to do smoke destroy, and then we're going to go ahead and set these back to its default. So we're going to go ahead and do walk speed equals 16 and jump power equals 50, and that makes it normal. And basically this is our teleportation script. I'm just going to go ahead and space things out just to make it look nicer. So there we go, everything is spaced out, looks nice. So before I continue here, I'm going to tell you guys what destroy and the difference between destroy and remove. Basically, remove does is that it actually is still there, it's just not in that parent. It's moved to a temporary space, where destroy is, it just completely removes it. So it's kind of like Windows, where if you delete a file, it's not completely deleted, it's inside the recycle bin. If you permanently delete it, it's gone forever. That's what destroy does. Anyways, let's go ahead and continue here. We're going to go ahead and create a new local variable outside this function called local your tele. And we're going to do equals workspace. So in here, this right here, this little quotation thing will be the name of your model. In this case, it's teleportation. And then we're going to do tele. Or in here, this will be the tele. It's going to look inside the workspace for your model, where the teles are located, and they'll look for your tele. So it's going to look for tele 1. And now what we're going to do is we're going to now create, actually no, we're going to do target tele. So that's our target tele right there. And then we're going to do local target, that's the target tele, and then we're going to do local main tele equals, and then we're going to go ahead and set workspace to 2. So this will be 1, and target tele will be tele 2. There you go. Now we're going to do main tele dot touched. Yeah, that's spelled right. Actually, no, I did main tele, main.tele dot touched connect function. And I kind of put that out on accident, so we're going to put that back in. And then we're going to go ahead and do that. And we're going to put inside these brackets hit. Now we're going to go ahead and do teleport. And then we're going to go ahead and do hit.parent. And that's going to be a substitute for player. So hit is basically usually a humanoid, or anything that, any part in the Roblox player that hit the part. And then it'll get the parent, which is the player model. The name of the model, it's just teleportation. And our tele we want is target tele dot name. So there we go. And once we touch that, it's going to teleport us. So let's go ahead and test this. So having the output is always nice. We're going to clear this. But having the output is always nice to debug. So anyways, when we press play, we're going to go ahead and so as you saw, we pressed the blue and it kind of did everything for us. So we're going to redo this again. We touched it and it creates a smoke and we get teleported. If you guys want this to be a longer time where it kind of waits a bit until they get teleported, we can just make it set to wait too. So here we go. We're going to go ahead and we spawn almost right on the blue, but we're going to spawn on blue now. Makes a smoke. 1, 2, there we go. We're at the target tele. We're going to go ahead and do this again. Step here, it creates a smoke, and there we go. It gets us to a target tele. So though this was a small tutorial, it's a pretty cool tutorial to teach you guys how to create this it teaches you guys how to create this kind of thing, and I find it really cool. So anyways, I think that's about it. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys want to see more tutorials like this, go ahead and subscribe. You guys have been showing me really amazing support towards this series, so keep it up. Go ahead and leave a like if this helped you at all, or if you just want to keep this in your history or your liked videos as a quick bookmark, go ahead and leave a like. And if you have any problems at all, always comment down in the comments down below, and I will be there to help you, or someone else will help you out. So anyways, thank you guys for watching this video, and if you guys enjoyed, go ahead and leave a like. And go ahead and head over to my Twitter to see if you guys want to participate in the next poll coming out in the morning of Saturday, which is when this video is going to be posted. And a final announcement is that I'm going to be bringing back How To Thumbnail. That is actually a pretty old series on my channel, but I'm going to be bringing that tutorial back for you guys to learn from. It's probably going to be like 2 more how to thumbnail videos, but that's going to be great for you guys. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and leave a like. I said that like 2 times. Anyways, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.